Carnival Extreme Buffalo version. We have $20 and 20-cent voucher in the game. Playing pennies, it's 88 cents a spin, and let's spin those reels. Let's see. Got buffaloes. Is there a volume? Yeah.
You got $2.
Awesome. How do they stay in business? Oh yeah, all those losing videos we've recorded, right?
Right?
That's how, yeah. Definitely more losers than winners. Oh, come on, carnival stuff. Yes, yes,
oh,
yes.
Right.
Boom.
All right. Hey,
Yeah.
That's good. I like watching it go up. 710.
Really? Wow. Nice.
That is nice.
About 8 times our bet. That's good.
Actually, it says 7:30 instead of 7:10.
What are you looking for?
Cracker. My head is tipsy.
Tipsy.
Yeah.
From one, vodka and cranberry?
I didn't even have a whole orange.
That's true. And you didn't even think there was any vodka in it.
Yeah, I know. I was wrong. So you need like how many coins? Oh yeah.
Keep going.
Keep going. Oh. Yeah, but still.
$2.75.
Oh yeah. Oh. You were wrong.
Nothing came with it.
Ooh, there's eagles. Aren't eagles something special too?
Nope, just the line pay.
Oh, it is.
Hey, that's good.
Wow. $5.
Times 2.
Oh, $10.
Yeah,
Wow.
I believe so. We'll let it count. I know, I like to just go ahead and hit the button, but that makes Amy twitching.
I'd love to watch it. I want to see it actually count everything.
What are you eating? Cheese and crackers?
Cheese and crackers. Gotta have a little cheese and crackers every now and then. Stuff you never eat at home.
Yeah, $10 win. Cool.
That is fun. So you put $20 in it?
Yeah.
Good deal.
Keep going. Oh.
Well,
Yeah.
oh, so they didn't catch the 250.
They got to hit in order. Like,
Oh.
as soon as you have an empty reel, it stops.
Well, that's weird. They shouldn't stop.
Yeah, well, that's part of the game.
Yeah, I guess so. Ooh, see eagles. Oh, they're only 20 cents. Don't let the game get cold.
Right? Feel like it is, isn't it?
I do too.
Buffalo's singing next door.
Yeah.
We had baby buffaloes.
Yeah. Man, you really needed a carnival thing in front of that. Oh man.
There's where we needed the carnival thing, huh?
Yeah. Oh, now it comes up.
You know what? I feel like we should stop.
Yeah, I think it's empty.
It's a short video. What is it? 4 minutes? But we kept our $20. We won a little bit, lost a little, and we're back even. So I think we're going to stop right here. Thanks for watching, and until next time, blue skies and green lights.